MANTA network. What the heck is this thing and why is it up 53% right now? We're going to be covering critical levels for MANTA, dollar cost averaging positions, and whether to long or short this bad boy. Obviously, never financial advice. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe. This is just what I'm going to be doing with my portfolio and with MANTA network. So, guys, let's dive right into it. This thing has come out just about less than a month, and it is up literally 62% since it's come out. Came out, I believe, around January 18th. So it's literally just been a few weeks. And what is it? Well, it's simple. It's a layer 2 solution, right? It's a layer 2 lower gas for Web3, and it's modular, which is a new type of technology being built out right now in the crypto space, and it's got some hype around it. Well, this thing is up 62%. So what should we do right now? Well, let's dive right into it. First, guys, if you're not following me over on Twitter at BChainCrusader, go follow me. Also, Crypto Trading Wars is happening today, 1:30 Eastern time. Go check that out on Crypto Wars. And let's get right into it here, guys. As you guys can see, if we're going to be longing and shorting this thing, these are some of the critical levels that we're going to be looking at. Then I'll be showing you guys, stick to the end, some dollar cost averaging positions. So if you're an average investor for long term, make sure you stick to the end of the video and smash those likes. As you can see here, MANTA is fighting the weekly and daily open right here at this level, which is pushing us down into this daily range. As you guys can see, we came all the way down as low as the daily pivot, which is a critical level, and we had a nice little bounce from it. But is this bounce enough, right? I don't think so. Right, it looks like Bitcoin also is having a little bit of a push down. Bitcoin did get rejected on the 2024 open, which I shown you guys in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, link is up above. And it's probably going to be pushing us back to this daily pivot. I believe if this VWAP level right here, which is this green line, does not hold, and I don't think it might, which is at $3.65, we're probably going to be coming and visit this daily pivot. And obviously, these are the critical levels, right? As we drop down after the daily pivot, it's the point of control, which is the point of the most volume traded in this range. And that is at $3.51 with some change. If that is lost, then we go to the weekly low. And the weekly low is at $3.44. And if that is lost, obviously, we're going to the value area low of the range, which is at $3.39. That is if you're shorting or you're longing. Obviously, the more time we spend under this resistance, the more likely that we're going to be heading lower. As you guys can see, we got rejected from the week high. We made a week high, and we came right back down, broke into the daily range, trying to break above that now, and finding resistance here nonetheless. Market Cipher has a green dot on the 15-minute, but I don't think it's looking too good for that green dot. See, on the 3-minute, we jump down. We are getting a red dot. We're getting a reversal signal from chart prime. Some bearish divergence. We're probably going to be heading down to the lower side here. I do not believe we're going to be breaking above the daily open unless Bitcoin has some crazy pump and pushes the market. But here comes the dollar cost averaging position. You're like, hey, man, I'm not a trader. I'm not going to be longing or shorting. Here's what you need to do for dollar cost averaging positions. Like I said, very simple. As you guys can see, this thing's only been out for a few weeks at most, right? Since the 18th, give or take. These are the levels to look out for. $2.42 would be the lowest support that we can see for this thing if we have a massive drop, right? This thing's been up 62% in the last couple of weeks. And like every new token that comes out, it has a massive rise. And at some point, it's going to have a pullback, right? It's in price discovery mode, but at some point, the market's going to say enough is enough, and it's going to push the price back down. So these are simple support and resistance levels. Obviously, we are breaking out of the critical resistance here at the most local top of $3.59, and we're making a new high here. But if we head down lower, the first level of support is going to be this $3.60. But obviously, assuming we break lower than that, it's $3.47. After that, the next one is $3.23. Below that is $2.97, which would be great to catch this under $3, because at that point, from where we're at right now, down to there would be about like 18 to almost 18%, 19% pullback, which would be a decent pullback and a very healthy correction of price. But nonetheless, if we keep dropping lower, $2.67 is a drop of 26%. And the lowest support right now before things get heading a lot lower, if we break this, would be $2.42. And that would be a 33% pullback, which isn't isn't crazy, right? A 33% pullback in crypto is not crazy, especially depending on what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin does pull back into the mid 30s, which some people still believe is possible, right? I'm not a big believer of it, but anything is possible because I am not going to be bullish on Bitcoin until we cross the 4,200 and some change level, which is the 2024 open. I believe it's 42,300. If we don't break that level, we're not bullish for Bitcoin yet. So these are the critical levels for dollar cost averaging positions on the way down. You guys do what you want with it. Not financial advice, just letting you know what I'm going to be doing. So MANTA is definitely on my radar. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and drop down below in the comments. Have you picked up a bag of MANTA? What levels did you get in? How long are you going to be holding this? Are you trading it? Are you shorting it? Are you just dollar cost averaging? Let me know in the comments, guys. And until next time, see ya.